It only happened a short time ago. It's still something new. That's tabakari. Tabakari means have just done. Connect it with the tab form, then add tabakari. You can also use tabakari no before a noun. It tells us not much time has passed. この前言ったばかりだから他のところにしましょう。 We just went there. Let's go somewhere else. 日本に来たばかりなのでまだわからないことが多いです。I just came to Japan, so there are still many things I don't know. It just happened, it's still new. Tabakari shows in action, finished recently. Very little time has passed since it happened. Use Vita tabakari or bakari no plus n to describe something that's still new. 生まれたばかりの赤ちゃんはとても可愛いです。A baby that's just been born is very cute. 日本語を習い始めたばかりの頃は簡単な挨拶さえできませんでした。When I had just started learning Japanese, I couldn't even say simple greetings. Just begun, still new. That's tabakari.